Alright, welcome back to my channel. My name is Matt, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to create a logo in Canva for free. So what you're going to do is you're going to highlight this symbol, this S symbol. You're going to go ahead and delete it. Then you're going to go to the Elements tab. You're going to go to the square. Then you're going to downsize it. What you're going to do is come here and make your font at least over 100. Then you're going to stretch it out a little bit. Okay, and then you're going to bring your square up, and then you're going to try and match it to the size of the font, just so everything can even out. Okay, and then what you're going to do now is you're going to put in, you're going to go to the text. Then you're going to go to add another heading. Then you're going to delete everything out of it. Put the number H. And this is just an example, but you could put any letter you want in the logo. So you're gonna make it a little bigger. You're gonna select it, and then you're gonna move it. Then you're gonna make it a little square, a little smaller. And I'll just bring it out a little bit here. We can make the H a little bigger. All right, so that looks good. So we'll go here and put what we want to say what our logo or what our company is. So in this example, we'll put hustle, and then hard. All right. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and we're not quite done. We're gonna go to elements, and we're gonna grab a square, and then we're gonna shorten it down, change the shape to a rectangle. So we'll have it like that, and then we'll go to the color palette, and then we'll change it to red. All right. So just about there, and then we'll go ahead and move it over to the side a little bit. We have to adjust it just right. We'll just make it a little bit longer like that. Then boom. So we'll readjust it to fit within the box, and then we'll just readjust our H logo. All right, let's see. All right, so it's kind of like a two logos in one. So there you have it. And that's how you make a simple logo in Canva, not too complicated, not too complex. So you don't have to go to Fiverr and pay someone $20, $30 if you don't if if you're broke and have no money. This is the best way to start out making logos. All right. If you want to see more content and um, knowledge on how to create logos or how to make money online, just click the link below, or and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.